All right, good morning, South Georgia. Tornado warning is now in effect for portions of Lee County, extreme northwest corner of Dougherty County, and southeastern Terrell County, and that goes until 1:30 a.m. Now is the time to find your safe room, get inside, get down to the lowest floor, and those are the areas where we're watching these tornado warnings. Here's the latest information for the tornado warning. You can see the area highlighted here in the red. We've got this into Lee County. Most of Lee County is actually covered by this tornado warning right now, and you can see the extreme northwest corner of Dougherty County and then the southeast portion of Terrell County. Here's the latest information. It's an all hands on deck scenario playing out. So northwestern Dougherty County, northeastern Calhoun County, southeastern Terrell County, Lee County, and northwestern Worth County is also included that in that. The National Weather Service says this thunderstorm is capable of producing a tornado. It was located 10 miles south of Dawson. We were tracking that. By the way, we're live streaming as well. So go ahead and get on the app. If you lose power or lose satellite imagery, we can live stream for you as well. You want to get inside. The storm is indicating some rotation right now. The storm will be in the Leesburg area around 1:10. So if you live in Leesburg, that's an area you'll need to watch. We're going to manipulate the radar a little bit for you, give you an idea where the storm is. Right now, here's the latest information coming down. And we just popped the EAS on our TV station, so I'm not sure. I don't know if that might be just a cable thing. So the thunderstorm, we'll try to do a velocity here and show you kind of up there it is. We can see a little bit of a couplet showing up right there, where the pink and the green come together. And that's a pretty strong wind gust too. That bright pink is probably, see if I can do a query on it. That's going to be some very strong winds. Let's give you an idea what. Probably about 70-mile-an-hour winds there with that couplet. But let's do a track for you. We mentioned that about 1:10 in Leesburg, so this will take the storm quickly into the Leesburg area about 1:10. Their latest. We'll redo that again. So we do have a strong rotation show, or at least a strong wind gust, probably over 70 miles an hour showing up here right now. And again, we do have a tornado warning. Let's break down that warning. The red box is where our tornado warning is right now, and that does include the northwest corner of Dougherty County, southeastern Terrell County, includes Sasser and Leesburg. You want to seek shelter if you are in Leesburg right now. Get into the interior portion of your home. Go in to the interior portion of your home. You cannot be in a mobile home, and get down to the lowest level of your home and cover up. So those are the things that we need to watch out for. But there is a pretty good rotation. When the reds and the greens touch here, and I'll show it to you, I'll point it out to you here in a second, that's when we begin to worry. A possible tornado, as we're seeing some there's where the rotation is, and it's heading towards Leesburg. So that's kind of the idea. Right around 1:10 is when we are thinking that storm will be in the Leesburg area. So let's do a storm path. So that storm is probably moving faster than our cone is going. If you're watching us from Sasser, probably within the next few minutes, this storm will be moving right over top of you. So Sasser, take shelter right away inside of your home. Get into the interior portion of your home. as this storm is quickly moving to the northeast at 55 miles per hour.
Sasser's got a good couplet on.
Yeah, that's what we're showing right now. Yep. We've got the First Alert Meteorology team here right now. So Sasser, a few minutes away from you. Also Leesburg, Starksville, Warwick, and Rains. Those are areas that we'll be watching. We do have a pretty strong rotation showing up here. It's just about on Sasser right now. Here's a look. When you see the red and green touch, there's rotation coming in here, and Sasser may be clipped by this, then moving into Lee County, Leesburg, Starksville, and if it continues on that north and northeast track about 55 miles per hour, it will be in the Warwick area. So we are seeing a powerful thunderstorm, and this storm has had a history of producing tornado. It produced one in the Pensacola area. We've got a report of one near Dothan, north of Dothan, and this same storm may have also produced a tornado north of Blakely, and now it's moving in through portions of Terrell County, next up Lee County, and then northern Worth County. So those are the storms we're really watching intently. A lot of lightning with these thunderstorms, heavy downpours and wind gusts in excess of 70 miles per hour. All these things that we're watching right now, we'll just go back to the normal looking radar. It's a little harder to see what's going on. That's why we use that velocity. But you can see there's definitely a storm system going on right now. Powerful storm system moving in through Lee County. So let's break down the watches and warnings real quickly. The warning obviously is of most concern right now, and that goes until 1:15. Let's zoom in tight so we can see the areas that will really be affected. Leesburg, Sasser, Philema. This is going into 1:15, a tornado warning. Doppler indicated tornado showing just in the Sasser area right now, south of Sasser, heading into the Lee County area, across Highway 520 and 82, then up to Highway 32. So a tornado warning is in effect until 1:30. We also have the area highlighted there in the yellow. That's a severe thunderstorm warning, which Albany is under right now, and that extends all the way down south. We also have a tornado watch in effect for everyone else. So 1:15 tornado warning highlighted in red. We also have this severe thunderstorm warning till 1:15 for Albany and Morgan, Milford, 1:15 on that severe thunderstorm warning, and then everyone else. It looks like we just got an update on the polygon there. So we have a little bit of a shift to the north, it looks like, and I'll erase all those and zoom in a little tighter. Looks like we got a little bit of shift in the polygon. It does still include Leesburg. It is going to go a little farther to the north, and this may just going to stay south and east of Smithville, but that tornado warning going until 1:30 in the a.m. So we've got it extended now. Tornado warning now includes the northwest half almost of Lee County, out except for Smithville. But between Smithville and Leesburg, that goes until 1:30. Also the Sasser area. Let's see if we can find that velocity couplet, we call it, with red and green touching, and we still see it. Don't see quite the intensity of winds, but I still see some strong rotation showing up here just south of Sasser, heading right for Sasser. So Sasser, get in your safe room right now. Again, we are seeing strong rotation with this thunderstorm, possibly producing damaging winds, and also maybe some large hail mixing in here. We'll check out the hail. But there's the rotation. And again, that storm is moving in this direction at 55 miles per hour. Will probably be moving north of Leesburg within the next 10 to 15 minutes. Let's do a... I'm going to slice this storm to see how overshot the tops are. And, okay.